Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of SAP Concur. One see which is still the king of corporate expenses. Expense reports. The two words that can drain the joy out of any business trip. For years, one name has dominated the corporate expense world, SAP Concur. But in 2025, we want to see if it's still the gold standard. We dug in so you don't have to. This is our no fluff review. Let's start with why it's an enterprise powerhouse. First, the automation is stellar. Their AI receipt scanning is scarily accurate. Just snap a photo and it auto-fills all the details. Gone are the days of manual entry. Second, its integration is unmatched. It connects seamlessly with corporate travel agencies, credit cards, and ERP systems like its parent SAP. This creates a closed-loop, compliant spend ecosystem that finance leaders dream of. Finally, for large global companies, it has the ability to handle complex compliance rules, multi-currency transactions, and detailed analytics. It is still arguably the best in the game. It is built for scale and control. But there are trade-offs. The biggest hurdle? Cost and complexity. This is not an app for freelancers or small businesses. Pricing is enterprise level and often requires a custom quote. The implementation can be a lengthy project, not a simple setup. The user interface, while improved, can still feel less intuitive than modern rivals like Ramp or Zoho Expense. For employees, there can be a learning curve. You are trading some user-friendliness for raw power and compliance. So, the final verdict. SAP Concur is not for everyone, but for its target audience, which are large, complex organizations with thousands of employees traveling and spending. It remains an incredibly powerful and robust solution. It is a system you implement to eliminate financial chaos. For everyone else, the cost and complexity might be overkill. What's your experience with Concur? Do you love it or hate it? Let's talk in the comments below. If this review helped, please like and subscribe for more software breakdowns. Thanks.